friends, it's Terry. Welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. Today I am getting ready to do our March Glamour jewelry box. I'm excited to be doing these again. Glamour jewelry box is a jewelry subscription. It used to come in like a little box. I think due to sustainability and recycling, they moved it over to this cute little rose gold packaging bubble mailer. You get 3 pieces of jewelry in here a month for $29.99. I will have all of the information listed below. You can use my code Terri, T-E-R-R-I. I will have it on the screen here, and you get a bonus piece of jewelry valued up to $25. The 3 pieces you get in here are valued up to $75 or more, and then with the 4th free piece you'd get for your first box, you're looking at a $100 starter pack of jewelry for $29. So let's get in here, open up. I will try everything on. Okay, sorry about that. We're having interruptions because we have kids home, and I don't have little kids. I have teenage kids that are rude. Anywho, all right, so you get your 3 pieces in here. If you use the code, you'll get 4. It says Love is in the Air, which makes me think that this might have been a February collection, but I didn't get it until March. So anyway, but it says the love for jewelry and being bold. This month's collection represents just that, with versatile jewelry pieces for any occasion. Now, one of the things that they do is they have 3 different metal types. They have the rose gold jewelry tones. This is fashion jewelry. You can get rose gold, silver, and regular gold, and they just rotate. So you don't get your pick of the tone of jewelry you want. They give you kind of a mixture, so you can add those pieces into your collection and really wear all, which I appreciate. The one collection I got, the last one I got, I loved. I wear the pieces so much. I got rose gold. Really love that, but that's my favorite tone. If I could choose, I'd probably choose mostly that. But I do also wear I wear silver. In fact, I was looking today. I had gotten these little pairs, and the little heart ones, and I love these, and those are silver. I have rose gold, I have regular gold. So let's see what is in the little bin for today. All right, let's get these out of here. Okay, looks like this is a hammered gold, and we've got a pair of earrings. It's a little bit tangled up here together. Hold on. Okay, these are pretty. So these are a little dangle pair of earrings, and they're in a little almost like a little diamond or a teardrop shape. I'm gonna bring them in so you can see. They've got like a little texture to them. So let's see if we can find which one of these. Madison Parker, this is the Sophia collection. And these are from Madison Parker. Okay, so these are called the Rhombus City earrings. They retail for $25, and it says a modern design in a hammered style makes these earrings the perfect addition to any outfit. You'll love the rhombus shape and fine texture detail, ready to wear for whatever you have planned. So there we go. They are the same size. I'm just holding one up higher than the other. So let's go ahead and pull these in, and like always, I will zoom in for you guys, but I'm going to wait until I get everything on so you guys can get a better look of everything, and so I'm not moving the camera too much. All right, if I can get the back on. That's really cute. These are the kind of earrings I like. I like dangles. Those are my favorite. Okay. All right, those are really pretty. Really pretty. All right, the next piece we got is a necklace. And this necklace, oops, it's got some little pieces stuck. Okay. I have something like this, I think, in silver, like a silver and gold. So this one's just in the gold. This is called the Roxana necklace. It's a trendy, bold, and beautiful piece. The playful, modern design will make you stand out, allowing an instantly dressed up look. And this retails for $29. So there it is. That's beautiful. And these little pieces are playful and they move around. Really pretty. It also does feature if you want to make it a little longer, you have probably about a 3-inch extender on there, and I also like that it has a bigger clasp. Some of these have such tiny clasps, and I have such a hard time getting them on and off, so I'm always happy when the clasp is gigundo. That's what I need. My nails are super long right now and they're driving me nuts. I might just cut them off today because I can't go to the salon anymore, and so I'm just gonna rest my nails. Okay, here, oh, I didn't clasp it. Let's try it again. I said I love having a big clasp, and then I got my hair in, not this. Did I get it this time? Yeah. Okay. So this would certainly look better like this if I had a top, like a V-neck top, but you can see how pretty and bold. This is definitely a bold, chunky piece. If you're looking for something really simple, but you want to have an impact on your outfit, I think something like this is a really, really nice style. It's got dimension, it stands out, it's really a beautiful piece. And then our last piece that we have is a little cuff. This is called the Erin cuff, and this is a simple yet dependable cuff. It will meet your style needs, making it a staple piece for your accessory collection. This cuff helps pull off an effortless look, and it's the perfect addition to a stack of your other bracelets. I always do. You guys probably see me. I like wearing, I'm not wearing any today, but at work I always wear a lot of like mixed metals and beads. I really do, and it's a little bit adjustable. Good. So there is that. I do like wearing a lot of different bracelets together. I call them arm candy on my wrist. I really do enjoy them. So that's beautiful. All right, let me pull you beautiful babes in, and we'll zoom in a little. Here are the earrings, the cuff, which you saw already, and you can see really good now here how it's got kind of that pretty hammered design, and our necklace. Very beautiful pieces for this month. Okay. All right, guys. So that is it for my Glamour jewelry box for the month of March. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I am going to put the website below for you to join. Remember to use my code Terri. If you do, get some bling bling delivered to your door. And this is a monthly subscription, so it just comes every month until you cancel. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope this gives you a little bit of joy in this crazy time. Until I see you guys next time, you have a blessed day. Stay safe out there. Stay safe. What am I saying? Stay safe. Oh my God. Why was that so hard? Stay safe. No, I still said it wrong. Stay safe. Oh my God. Anyhow, be safe. How's that? My words are getting mixed up. And I hope you'll subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys.